What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a merry holiday season, and I wanted to bring you this quick video to tell you about this awesome deal for 15 hacker books for only $1 each. And these are awesome books. So let's look at this. Right now, Starch Press has a special going on where you can get 15 of their books for $1 each. So how does that work? Well, it's pretty simple. If you spend $1, that's right, just $1, you'll get these 5 books, and these are awesome books. The first one is The Tangled Web, a guide to securing modern web applications. The next is Silence on the Wire, and this is a field guide to passive reconnaissance and indirect attacks. We also have the Metasploit Penetration Tester's Guide, which if you're not familiar with Metasploit, this will get you all up to speed. Maybe you want to hack your mom's car or maybe your grandma's car. Well, you can get the Car Hacker's Handbook, which is a guide for penetration testers. And over here we have the Practical Forensic Imaging book, which is on securing digital devices with Linux tools. Securing digital evidence with Linux tools. And for that $1, you'll also get this No Starch sampler. And in this, they have several chapters from their other books, so you can get a taste of some of the other No Starch Press books, which is really cool. Now, if you spend $8 or more, you'll get a total of actually 10 books. So that's less than $1 per book. So if you spend $8, you're going to get the Android Security Internals book, the Gray Hat C# book, the Practical Malware Analysis book, the iOS Application Security book, and one of my favorites, the Black Hat Python book. But there's still yet more. If you spend $15, you'll get a total of 15 books and a 35% off of any No Starch Press book. And at this level, you're going to get the Pen Testing Azure Applications book, the Hacking, the Art of Exploitation, which is this is an awesome book. It's just a classic book. I highly recommend it if you don't have it. The Serious Cryptography book, which is a introduction to modern encryption. The Pen Testing book is a hands-on introduction to hacking. So if you're new to hacking and wanting to get into pen testing, this is a great resource to have. And finally, the last book is Attacking Network Protocols, which is a hacker's guide to capture, analysis, and exploitation of network protocols. So this is just an amazing deal that No Starch Press has going on right now. $1 gives you 5 books. $8 will get you 10 books, and $15 will get you a total of 15 completely, amazingly awesome books. So if you want to get on this deal, go ahead, click the link down in the description. It'll take you to the site, and you know what? Go ahead and treat yourself for Christmas. Hook yourself up, and I'll get a small piece of the pie. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, go ahead, click that subscribe button and tap that bell. And remember, I will see you on the other side.